This biker said that he felt guilty and cops could definitely pull him over. So he decided to go back and check out what he said to them.
No, I want to say thank you. Are we good?
Yeah, you're good, man.
All right.
I just heard you coming, and I can tell that you're
okay.
a little fast.
All right. I just cleaned it up. I'm trying to get some riding in before it starts to rain.
Ceramic coating on it, or you just clean it?
No, Plexus.
Okay.
This stuff called Plexus. It's really expensive. It's really good though. But yeah.
I own a detail company. That's why I was asking.
Do you really?
Yeah, I detail cars and motorcycles and boats. And
No joke.
Stuff, yeah.
I would love to get it ceramic coated.
Yeah.
It'd be nice, but I want to get these painted to color match. But getting towards the end of the season, I don't really want to.
Hey, man, I understand you already got money tied up in the bike itself.
Yeah. Well, I just want to say thank you for not doing that.
Yeah, you're good.
And
man, safe, dude.
Yes, sir.
Visible. I know it's probably causing it to get bent up, but
yeah, a little bit. I had to put some cable ties here, but I mean it's good like that, yeah.
Yeah, as long as it's visible. It was just all the way smashed up.
Yeah, I know.
That maybe really did better, but
you know, I don't do those things. Appreciate it. Yes, sir.
Hello.
How you doing?
Doing good.
Sergeant Keller with the Sheriff Department. Got your driver's license, registration. What's all the?
Just trying to put some heat in my tires.
Trying to what?
Warm up my tires a little bit. That's literally, I do it every morning. Just a little bit of.
Never heard of that.
It warms them up a little bit.
I passed 2 cars and they're pointing at you one.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know what it is, but I mean, it definitely it helps a little bit. My insurance is on my phone. Registration should be on my phone as well.
I may have it when it pulled up the tag. Hang on.
Okay. What's going on? Hey, I got pulled over, so I might be a little late. All right, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Show you got progressive insurance.
Yes, that's exactly right. Yeah, I have it partnered through USAA. But I do that every morning just to warm up my tires. They heat up pretty quick. But yeah, that's all I do. I don't swerve in and out of the other lanes.
You was maintaining your lane.
Yeah.
Just when you're doing that and people's looking at me going, hey, what the crap?
Yeah.
Check it out. You don't ever know.
I understand.
All right, be careful.
All right, brother. I appreciate
You
it.
see, guys, it's always better to pull over and face consequences rather than running away like in previous clip, because most of the time cops will give you just a warning.
You know my license?
Go ahead and take your helmet off. I want you to be able to see who I'm talking to.
Okay.
So I'm stopping because your license plate is tucked up on your fender. Maybe see your license, your registration, your insurance.
I got my license and registration on my phone. Can I hop off the bike?
Yeah.
How's your day going?
Going okay. How about yours?
Pretty good. Just went to Cars and Coffee, so.
What's that?
Just went to Cars and Coffee.
Okay.
Then got food. So that concludes that pullover. No ticket, no nothing. I guess he pulled me over for my license plate being too far tucked and then it not being registered here because I live here.
It may not be clearly visible on camera, but this biker got pepper sprayed by police officers.
Man, cause after Cracker sprayed me, man, he tried to run me off the road, whoa. I'm trying to tell y'all, he was swerving until he tried to run me off the road and I couldn't see. I had to slam the brakes, you feel me, slide around. Mace me, cuz. Mace while I'm riding, whoa. I'm on the ground, cuz. I got a plate, bro. They mace me, cuz. Look at my shit. Hey.
That's what I saw. Oh, shit, there's a cop behind us. There's a cop behind us.
Bent license plate may look nice on a bike, but it will definitely draw more attention and trigger cops to pull you over.
Hello.
How are you?
Oh, pretty good. How are you? Yeah.
We're trying to stay with each other, but you do have to stop at the stop sign, okay? Yeah. You don't have any mirrors on here, and then your license plate is all tweaked up. I don't know if you do that.
So, the reason that this plate is bent up like that is because you see I have it held on with zip ties. So, I had it like, I guess how you're supposed to have it, and the wind caught it and it broke the zip tie. So, I bent it up to like, so the airflow doesn't hit it and like knock it off there.
Okay.
Do you want the registration? I can show you insurance too on my phone if you'd like to see it.
949717. Whoa. Okay. So what does this do for you? You like this versus yours?
What?
Could you see me like when I was behind you? Those are definitely better. Can you see me? Yeah. Oh, can you see me now? Yeah, they're supposed to be out here.
Yeah, that's how they are.
I almost think I should give you guys like all the RCW so you guys can kind of look it up a little bit. So what are you guys just cruising around?
Yeah, we're headed home now.
Okay. And where's your turn signals integrated into the
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's illegal.
That's illegal?
Yeah.
Really?
They make these all
And
the
are
time.
yours the same way?
Yeah, that's how I bought the bike. I mean, yeah, they're.
Seems like we talked before. Did we? Ever?
I don't think so.
Yeah, this is also how I bought it. I don't know if I
You guys
could.
are both endorsed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's cool.
I've got insurance too. If you'd like.
Is endorsed.
What did you say?
Not everybody I meet has an endorsement.
I believe it.
I got insurance too. If you'd like to see that.
All right, you guys sit tight. I'm gonna move over here.
All right.
You guys have been good, yeah. I just want you to be safe.
Oh, absolutely. That's the biggest thing when you're on these things for
People
sure.
don't see you out here. I've only had this for a little over a year. I've only almost been hit a couple times.
They'll see you.
Yeah, you see me.
He's like, what are you, 6? How many?
5.
6. Yeah.
I'm on a small street legal bike. That's how it is.
All right, you guys, be safe.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe.